Drowning in scattered PDFs? AI instantly organizes hundreds of documents. Your files scattered across departments and folders? Watch how AI instantly organizes them into clear, accessible structures, keeping sensitive records secure and local. Transform chaos into order. AI File Pro automatically organizes scattered documents into structured folders, accident reports, medical records, witness statements in seconds. See the difference. Watch AI File Pro instantly reorganize files by department, date, project, status, and more. Real-time results transform chaos into perfect folder structures in seconds. Watch files instantly organize into logical folders. Auditing and security, client onboarding, service agreements, perfectly categorized and instantly accessible. Turn document chaos into clarity. Preview, organize, and access files instantly, offline and secure.